Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel again. In today's video, you are going to see how to delete Chrome download history. So to do that, let me just head over to my Chrome browser. As you currently see, that I have opened up my Google account in here. So I'm just heading over to my downloads. So here if I tap, I will see the recent downloads, and in the bottom there is option of full download history. And in here, as you can see, there are all my download histories in here on my Chrome browser. And if I want to clear all the history, all I need to do is just to tap on clear all on the top right corner. And once I tap it, all my download history is deleted. So if you change your mind, you can undo it. So yeah, this is how you can clear your Chrome downloading history. Hope this video helped you out. If you got any questions regarding this, make sure to comment down below and we will just pitch you out.